Okay, so we've got 4 slices of bread. We're going to make 2 sandwiches. And as you can see, they're buttered. Now these are the outside, so let's flip these over. And when you butter them, try and get all the edges in. Really simple today. We're just going to go with some salami. Any salami that you like, really, I suppose. Some tomato. And then we're going to go with some cheese. I've got some cheddar cheese here. Grated, mature cheddar, nice and sharp. Wonderful stuff. And then these guys are the top, so on they go, off to the grill. Okay, so the grill that I'm using, which I always use for these, is like a press, sandwich grill, like a George Foreman. It's actually a Black & Decker make, but there's lots of different makes on there. Now I've got this on as high as I can, nice high heat. We're going to sandwich that down, give it one press. It's probably going to be about 4 minutes. Sounding good, let's have a look. Oh yeah, look at that, beautiful. Let me get them on the board and we'll cut these open. They look delicious. Sounded good, weren't they, in the machine? Let's have a go here. Beautifully crunchy. I'm loving that. Let's get that other one cut open. Delicious, simple, wonderful, tasty. I'm in love. That's it. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.